What's the meaning of curveball? Curveball. Curveball.
Curveball. Curveball. A curveball is a phrase commonly used in English to describe an unexpected or surprising event or situation that catches someone off guard. It comes from baseball, where a pitcher can throw a ball that appears to be going in one direction but then suddenly drops or curves in another direction, making it difficult for the batter to hit. The result of a curveball can range from confusion and frustration to positive outcomes if the person is able to adapt quickly and overcome the unexpected obstacle.